All the banquets canceled, even those that were below 50 people, not because they were illegal, but because of the health order. People were scared. They were frightened.
In a week, Sonoma County's ban on large gatherings will expire. The measure first went into effect early last month. It asked people not to gather outside with more than 100 people and no more than 50 people inside.
But now Sonoma County's health officials, they're saying that they can drop the restriction because of a drop in COVID case rates. Ground 4's Gayle has the details.
In January, I lost $65,000 in banquets.
That's $65,000 Gerard Giudice, co-owner of Sally Tomatoes and Soma Events in Rohnert Park, lost after Sonoma County issued a health order banning large gatherings indoors.
All the banquets canceled, even those that were below 50 people, not because they were illegal, but because of the health order. People were scared. They were frightened.
Giudice, one of dozens of business owners trying to make up for lost time. The health mandate is set to expire on February 11th. County health officers credit strict health orders in helping reduce the county's COVID case rate. Claudia Vecchio, CEO of Sonoma County Tourism, sent a survey to about 3,000 local businesses asking about the impact of the county's health order.
Of those 60 respondents, we did find that the immediate impact was somewhat north of $6 million, and that really represents the business lost as it relates to groups that had already booked and had to cancel, and other people who have canceled in the future, but because of that order.
Sonoma County health officials loosened the health order last month due to declining COVID cases, but nothing changed for the larger tourism community. Vecchio says the county's public health officer has been guiding local businesses to operate safely. But it's not just the loss in business that's challenging. Giudice says trying to help employees survive.
These are people who are working two jobs, and there is no relief, and there is no, there is no extra bonus, for unemployment. And, we had to let go one position.
The hope is that this latest round of health orders that slowed down progress will kind of get cleaned up over this spring and summer.
Robert Eiler, professor of economics at Sonoma State University, says it's going to be all about the dollars spent.
So one of the things the travel industry is very concerned about is if there's a threat of this happening again, will people book as many weddings? Will they book as many events? Will they book as many conferences? And those are relatively large ticket items in terms of filling hotel rooms, filling restaurants, ordering catering, and having sort of this, ripple effect among a bunch of different industries when one event takes place.
In the meantime, businesses are looking forward to next week's expiration date.
We have Valentine's Day, thankfully, coming after this health mandate lifts, and I think that's going to be a good weekend in Sonoma County. What better place to spend Valentine's Day than at a lovely winery?
Gayle, Cron 4 News.